Beep, 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 beep. Welcome back to your Hughes Group Jax monthly market update. So now we're reviewing May 2021, and as the weather warms and pandemic restrictions ease across much of the country, the U.S. housing market shows a little sign of cooling. Robust buyer demand fueled by low mortgage rates continues to outpace supply, which remains near historic lows. Nationwide, inventory remains much lower than it was this time last year, and sales prices are surging as a result of that.
Yes, here in Northeast Florida, we're continuing to see that trend. And we had one little bit of good news. Our new listings did increase right at 13% to 3,785 homes that are for sale.
That's great news.
Our pending sales were up 18%. And the one kind of news that we are still trending is our inventory levels year over year. So that would be May of last year in the pandemic. So we'd only been a couple months into the pandemic. So our inventory levels fell 58%. So because of that, because our inventory is still low, our prices do continue to rise.
Right.
And our median sales price increased right at 17% to $290,000. Our days on market decreased 44% to an average of 35 days. Our sellers were encouraged because the housing inventory is so low, so we're seeing prices increase, and our month of supply of inventory was down 67%. Oh my goodness, to 1.1 months. That means we have 5 weeks of inventory. Last month it was 6 weeks of inventory. So what that means, if you have been thinking about selling, now is the time to sell. We actually are getting higher offers. We're getting buyers are having strategies which we use to get our buyers to get accepted. Right. You have to think outside the box, and so that's something. If you're thinking, oh my goodness, yes, I'd love to sell, but I got to go find a place, we have a strategy to get that completed and to help you reach your goal.
Right. And so one other point is that a lot of people are looking to new construction, new home builders to fill the gap in inventory. But because we know that there's supply issues and lumber price increases, builders tend to pass those costs on to the buyers. We do have several clients that are under contract for new construction. So a great thing to do is to maybe get into the neighborhood quickly when they're releasing the first few homes, because then those are going to be at your lowest prices. And then, so there's some strategies that we could use for new construction as well. And so we are seeing that some sellers are motivated right now. You might be motivated by the weather and the economy opening up. And so just don't expect that these low inventory and high prices are going anywhere anytime soon. So strategize with us on how to get your home sold and what we use to get offers accepted.
Wonderful. Bye-bye. Let us know if you have any questions.